Hey everyone, this is Trimber70. Today I'm doing an unboxing of Motorized 2025 Percy. So here's Percy. It came with a mail card and a brake fan. It came inside this box, so it's taking a look around the box. So here's the front, the top, the bottom, side, the other side, and the back. Here are my tools to unbox Motorized 2025 Percy. 2 AAA batteries, a screwdriver, and a scissors. I'm gonna unbox Motorized 2025 Percy off camera, so I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. As you can see, I just unboxed Motorized 2025 Percy. Here we have Percy, and behind him we have Percy's mirror cards and the brake fan. I gave Percy a battery and I gave him a test one and it works. So let's see Percy once well. Well, that is a great test one with Motorized 2025 Percy. If you like this video, please send a comment, press the like button, and subscribe to my channel. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and we'll see you next video.